Hello viewers, welcome to watchcenter.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review a pair watch by Casio. It's a Class C design by Casio and it's a pair watch. In my hand is a male version. It's a male watch in my hand and it's MTP-1335D-7A. This is the male version of the watch. And this is the female ladies version, and this watch is LTP-1335D-7A. So it's a pair watch by Casio, and it's a Class C design analog watch, a white dial, silver stainless steel chain. And the design of the both watches is same. The only difference is, of course, the male version. The diameter of the dial is big, and the ladies version, the diameter is small. So it's a pretty attractive pair watch by Casio, and it's pretty suitable for gifting purpose in the wedding, engagement, anniversary or birthday, any occasion. It's a perfect gift as it's an original watch by Casio. So the quality wise it's pretty good. Casio as a company is known for its quality, so the watch quality is pretty good. So it's an analog watch, and for the time setting, the middle knob, you can change the date and day and also the time. And for the ladies watch, the settings are same. So we will let's try the weight of these watches and also the diameter of the dial. So let's try the weight of the ladies watch first. The weight of the ladies watch LTP-1335D-7A is 68.9. It's almost 69 gram. And the weight of the male version is 105.9. It's almost 106 gram is the weight. And viewers, now let's check the dial diameter. The round dial diameter is 37.8, and in the ladies watch, the round dial diameter is around 29.9. It's almost 30 mm. So viewers, you can order this watch online in Pakistan from our online watch store, watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available within Pakistan. And also you can send us a message on our WhatsApp number 0310-2233-484 for more information. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, watchcenter.pk, to get notification of the video reviews of Casio and other branded watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.